In the realm of artificial intelligence, there are two major players that have been making significant waves: OpenAI and Anthropic. As we delve into the fascinating world of AI, it's important to understand what differentiates these two notable organizations in the field. This engaging and enlightening journey promises to be both exciting and thought-provoking. Understanding artificial intelligence, AI. Before we delve into the specifics of OpenAI and Anthropic, let's ensure that we all have a common understanding of artificial intelligence. AI. Simply put, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines. Especially computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It has penetrated into our everyday lives. From smart home devices to advanced algorithms that process and analyze vast amounts of data. According to Statista, the global AI market is expected to reach $498.9 billion by 2023 from $22.6 billion in 2017. Emphasizing its growing importance and application. AI's history is marked by periods of significant breakthroughs, followed by periods of disillusionment, commonly referred to as AI winters. However, the current wave of AI, powered by advancements in machine learning and data availability, seems to be here to stay. Introduction to OpenAI. OpenAI, founded in December 2015, is one of the leading nonprofit AI research labs. Its mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence, AGI, benefits all of humanity. In essence, OpenAI seeks to build safe and beneficial AGI directly, but is also committed to aiding others in achieving this outcome. OpenAI's notable achievements include the development of GPT-3, an advanced language processing AI model, and DALL-E, which creates images from textual descriptions. These projects showcase the potential for AI to revolutionize multiple industries, from content creation to design and beyond. Introduction to Anthropic. Anthropic, on the other hand, is a relatively new player in the field. Launched in May 2021 by Dario Amodei and Daniela Amodei, former employees of OpenAI, Anthropic aims to make the trajectory of AI understandable and controllable. Anthropic believes in conducting research to make AI systems more understandable, robust, and align with human values. While it may be too early to gauge Anthropic's impact, their unique approach to AI development indicates great potential. Looking at the missions of both organizations, we can see a shared commitment to AI safety and broad benefit. But the paths they are taking to achieve these goals mark the key differences that set them apart. In the next part of this article, we will dive deeper into the significant differences between OpenAI and Anthropic and explore the impacts of these organizations on the AI industry. We will also look into some fun facts about AI and these organizations, followed by an author spotlight and a FAQs section. Stay tuned to unfold the exciting world of AI through the lenses of OpenAI and Anthropic. Key differences between OpenAI and Anthropic. Now that we've set the stage with backgrounds on OpenAI and Anthropic, let's dig into what really distinguishes these two influential organizations. While both are laser-focused on advancing AI safely and for the benefit of humanity, their philosophies, approaches, and even their operational cultures set them apart. Mission and vision. Subtle but significant contrasts. OpenAI's mission, as we discussed, is to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. This broad vision focuses on both technological leadership and wide distribution of IS benefits. OpenAI began as a nonprofit but has since evolved into a capped profit company. This unique structure allows them to attract investment while pledging that profits above a certain threshold will be reinvested into their mission. OpenAI's vision is ultimately about global inclusivity, making sure AGI does not just serve a select few. Anthropic, on the other hand, was founded with a sharper focus on AI safety. Their mission centers on a research and development to make AI systems more steerable, interpretable, and robust. Anthropic's founders saw the need for more transparency and controllability in rapidly advancing AI models. The company is structured as a public benefit corporation, which legally binds it to consider the public good in its decision-making. While OpenAI is ambitious about AGI's promise, Anthropic is cautious, emphasizing rigorous research and slow, Measured progress. Differences in approach and focus areas. OpenAI's approach is to push the boundaries of what AI can do. Think large-scale models like GPT series and DALL-E. They often release APIs and tools for broad use, such as ChatGPT, which allows millions to interact with advanced AI. OpenAI also frequently collaborates with both academic and commercial partners to accelerate adoption. Anthropic, meanwhile, places a strong emphasis on alignment research, essentially ensuring AI systems behave as intended, even in unforeseen circumstances. While Anthropic also develops large language models, like their A Claudia series, they tend to be more cautious about public deployments, carefully studying the social and ethical impacts before wide release. Anthropic invests heavily in a constitutional AI, a technique meant to guide models with explicit ethical principles. For example, OpenAI's GPT-4 is widely available via API and embedded in products such as Microsoft's Bing and Office. In contrast, Anthropic's Claude is being rolled out more gradually, with pilots and restricted access for select partners, to better monitor and guide its impacts. Comparing recent projects. Looking at flagship projects, the differences become even more visible. OpenAI's GPT-3 and GPT-4 models have become industry benchmarks for language processing, powering applications from chatbots to creative writing assistants. DALL-E shattered expectations with text-to-image generation, and Codex now helps developers write code efficiently. Anthropic's major contribution is the Claude family of models, which emphasize interpretability and resistance to a prompt injection attacks, where users try to trick AI into unintended behavior. Anthropic's research papers tend to focus on a constitutional training and transparency, showing their commitment to making AI behavior more predictable and understandable. The impacts of OpenAI and Anthropic. The ripples from both organizations extend far beyond their own labs, shaping not just the AI industry but also society's relationship with intelligent systems. How OpenAI is affecting the AI industry. OpenAI has arguably been the single most influential force in mainstreaming generative AI. Since launching GPT-3, the company saw the user base for ChatGPT rocket to over 100 million monthly active users within just 2 months of launch, a record for consumer tech products. OpenAI's partnerships with Microsoft have brought advanced AI tools to products used by billions, and their API is now used by thousands of startups and enterprises globally. OpenAI's influence goes beyond technology. Their open research, ethics discussions, and high-profile collaborations have set industry standards on transparency and responsible deployment. In 2023, OpenAI was named one of Time's 100 most influential companies, testament to its broad reach. How Anthropic is affecting the AI industry. While Anthropic is newer and quieter, its influence is growing rapidly, especially among researchers and organizations focused on safety. Anthropic has raised over $1.5 billion in funding from investors like Google and Spark Capital, signaling massive confidence in its approach. Claude, their AI assistant, is already being piloted in customer service, legal research, and healthcare, with early partners praising its reliability and transparency. Anthropic's research outputs are frequently cited in academic circles, and their constitutional AI methods are influencing how other labs think about aligning large models with human intent. Future predictions for both organizations. The coming years will likely see OpenAI continuing to lead in deployment and scale, while Anthropic pushes the boundaries of AI safety and alignment. Both organizations are expected to play a central role as governments and societies debate AI regulation and oversight. Statistics and data. The numbers behind the story to put the scale and impact of these organizations and the AI industry more broadly into perspective. Let's look at some telling numbers. AI industry growth. The global AI market is projected to grow from $207 billion in 2023 to nearly $1.8 trillion by 2030. Markets and markets. 2023. OpenAI's impact. ChatGPT reached over 100 million users in just 2 months. OpenAI's partnership with Microsoft is valued at over $10 billion. Anthropic's momentum. Anthropic has raised more than $1.5 billion in funding since 2021. Claude, their AI assistant, is being piloted by major partners and is cited in dozens of academic research papers. Research output. In 2023 alone, OpenAI published over 30 peer-reviewed papers, while Anthropic contributed to more than 20. Now that we've explored the key differences between OpenAI and Anthropic and their respective impacts on the AI industry, let's delve into some fun facts about these organizations and AI in general. Fun facts: OpenAI's GPT-3 model has 175 billion machine learning parameters, making it one of the largest and most powerful language processing AI models to date. Anthropic's name refers to the anthropic principle in physics and cosmology, which considers how observations of the universe are influenced by the presence of human observers. OpenAI was initially a non-profit organization, but it transitioned to a capped profit model to better attract the funding required for its ambitious projects. AI has many practical applications you may not realize, from personalizing your Netflix recommendations to helping NASA find new planets. The term artificial intelligence was first coined by John McCarthy in 1956. OpenAI's DALL-E model can generate images from almost any description, including ones that don't exist in reality. Anthropic's founders previously worked at OpenAI, contributing to its groundbreaking models before branching out to start their own AI venture. The AI industry is predicted to have a global economic impact of up to $15.7 trillion by 2030. According to PwC, OpenAI and Anthropic both stress the importance of AI alignment, the principle that AI systems should produce results that are beneficial to humans. OpenAI's mission statement emphasizes the broad and beneficial use of AGI, while Anthropic focuses on the interpretability and steerability of AI systems. Author spotlight. Dr. Richard Socher. An influential figure in the world of AI is Dr. Richard Socher, the former chief scientist at Salesforce and current CEO of U.com. Socher's work focuses on natural language processing and machine learning, and he has made several contributions to the advancement of AI technology. A renowned speaker and author, Socher's insights and research findings are highly respected in the AI community. In the next installment in this series, we'll tackle some frequently asked questions about OpenAI, Anthropic, and the broader AI landscape. This section will cover queries about the origins, future implications, and ethical considerations of AI technology. So stay tuned for more fascinating facts and insightful discussion. Part 4. Frequently asked questions. FAQs. What is AI alignment and why is it crucial? AI alignment refers to the development of AI systems so that they produce results beneficial to humans, aligning their goals and actions with human values. It is crucial because misaligned AI could potentially make decisions harmful to humanity, even if it is carrying out tasks efficiently. Can OpenAI and Anthropic's AI replace human jobs? A common concern about AI is job displacement. While AI can automate routine tasks, it also creates new opportunities, demanding more human creativity, oversight, and decision-making. Both OpenAI and Anthropic emphasize AI as a tool to augment human capabilities, not replace them. Is AI secure? What about data privacy? AI systems, like any digital technology, can be vulnerable to security issues. Both OpenAI and Anthropic emphasize the importance of robust and safe AI, and they follow stringent data privacy practices. However, ongoing work is needed to ensure AI security as technology evolves. How can I contribute to the AI field? The AI field welcomes contributions from various disciplines, from computer science to ethics, law, and social studies. You can contribute through research, development, policymaking, or public discussions about AI's future. What are the ethical considerations in AI development? AI ethics include considerations like fairness, transparency, privacy, and alignment with human values. OpenAI and Anthropic, among others, are working to address these considerations in their research and development processes. What is the significance of OpenAI's capped profit model? OpenAI's capped profit model allows them to attract necessary funding while ensuring a primary focus on their mission. Profits above a certain cap are